Today we're going to Primark Home. I keep seeing everybody posting these reels about Primark Home and I still haven't been. I have seen a duvet set which is meant to be linen for £30. I want this bed in. I was gonna pay I think £130 for a linen bed sheet. I saw someone post it on Instagram saying that it's £30 in Primark. So I'm hoping to get that today, but I'll bring you along with me to see what they've got in for spring. Okay, so straight over to the baskets I go, of course, even though I'm here for bedding. Spotted the bedding. Absolutely loved these. They weren't quite the colour that I thought, but some of the other shades are over here. Oh, picked it up. More baskets, of course. I think these are super cute. I absolutely love this magazine rack. I probably wouldn't use it as a magazine rack, but I absolutely think it would look so cute next to your sofa. Back to the baskets I go. I think these are so cute for things like your makeup or your jewellery. Keep it safe on your bedside table. These are cool for really like blankets and things like that you want to shove in them. I've also got the Kallax system from IKEA, and I think these boxes would look beautiful inside those because there's something different that IKEA don't do. More little baskets. I actually saw these crates on TikTok of someone using them for their vegetables in their kitchen, which I thought was such a great idea because you can stack them on top of each other. Absolutely love this little drinks trolley. It was a bit unstable, so I'm not sure if I would have bought it, but I thought it looked so cool. How lovely is the green and gold on that table? I've also got this bedside table, similar. I paid £50 for mine, and this one's only £20, but you can kind of tell the difference in quality. Now, I saw this rug and I really wanted it. Look at it, 35 quid. I absolutely love it. I was gonna pick it up, but I just thought, I don't know how I'm gonna walk around town with a massive rug, and I think that's the problem with Primark Home, is in the centre, but I really wanted it. How cute are these knobs? Here's all the pictures and the mirrors. Love this one. I think I might come back and get a few of these because I absolutely love sort of the abstract. And these were for the outdoors, which I thought was so cute because in the summer you can have all these little lanterns giving off light. Perfect for chilled out summer evening. Love these lamps. I definitely do put this in my basket and bring it home with me because I absolutely loved it. But I did walk away and then I went back. More baskets, obviously. Loved these in the black. I thought that was something different. Artificial plants and trees. If you can't keep yours alive, like I can't, these are perfect for your home. Love this little pot for dried flowers as well. And they even have loads of bath towels in like a waffle texture, which I absolutely love. I've actually got some from Dunelm already, so I did put it back on the shelf, but I was tempted. Their bathroom range was amazing. They had so many different lovely things. And I loved these little wooden pegs to put your towels on after a shower. How cute are these bookends? I am gonna come back for them when the house is done. Cute little chains, these were only £2.50. Loved all these home decor products. Loved this pot, I thought it'd be perfect for outdoors again in the summer. It was quite heavy, I don't wanna pick it up. How cute are these like little picky bowl things? I don't really know what if they're for salt or pepper or nuts, but they were just so cute. I thought they'd look so nice when you're entertaining. Really like these bamboo placemats as well. Again, they could be for indoors or for outdoor dining in the summer. Also love this jug. I love jugs, but I have just bought one off myself from my online store, so I thought I better put that back. But I do really like it. I was loving all the kitchen stuff as well, and I really like these bamboo straws. I feel like you need a good straw these days with all the cardboard ones. Loved the wooden chopping boards. If I didn't already buy myself one the other day, I would have definitely picked this up because I love them. Absolutely love that. I thought you could put all your kitchen utensils in there, make them look a little bit prettier. The kitchen range was amazing. Now, this is probably my favourite part of the whole shop, was all the crockery. The bowls are absolutely stunning. Like, how cute are all of these? Absolutely, and like, look at the little cute placemats. I really, really like this section. Now, this bowl has to be my absolute favourite thing that I've ever seen. I absolutely love them. It's just a shame that we don't actually have much cupboard space in our house, otherwise I would have picked them up. And look how cute this tea set is. If you want a picnic in the park in the summer, I'd definitely pick that up. Loving all these Scandinavian pieces. Really a good way to sprucing up your kitchen. How cute is this little tray to carry cups of tea and biscuits in? This was obviously the spring setup. I reckon aimed towards like outdoor picnics and things like that. Really like the candles that Primark sold as well, but this one was unscented, so I put it back down. But they were big candles and for a pretty good price as well. Loved that one, it smelled amazing. Really liked the abstract artwork that they had and the home decor pieces, of course. Okay, so I love anything like Japandi at the moment, and this section was giving me life. I absolutely love these little baskets, rattan, wooden plates, all of it, just giving me the feels. I love this little mug. How cute is that? This section was made for me, I think. More chopping boards, which I need to put back because I've got enough. Love the chopping boards. These bowls were so pretty. I might have to come back and grab some of them. We're getting a new kitchen at the end of the year, so hopefully I'll have more space to shove these things in. And this is this section, more sort of like serving bowls, kitchen stuff. Love this little pot, not sure what it's for exactly, but who cares? You can put whatever you want in it. Okay, so that kind of brings me to the end of my Primark shop. And this is what I put in my basket. I feel like a lot of that stuff in there, like the price of it, I feel like, yeah, it was probably cheap compared to your other home stores perhaps. But it wasn't like that cheap that I felt like it was worth gallivanting all the way into town for. You know, I could have got those from small independent businesses and paid around the same. The only thing I did get was the lamp, which again, I probably could have made one like that myself. But I just felt like that, it was either that or the bedding. I was thinking the bedding will probably still be there in a year's time. Whereas the lamp, there was only 2 left. And like, I reckon anyone who saw that lamp, they'd be like, yeah, we need that lamp. But yeah, overall, everything in there was gorgeous. It was beautiful. But I do feel like, you know, you go to B&M, you go to IKEA, it's all very samey. And I think a lot of the items in Primark Home could be bought from small independents instead of Primark. And guys, remember, if you like this type of content, please be sure to give me a like or a subscribe. Obviously this channel is fairly new, so I just want to make sure that I'm giving you guys what you want to see rather than what I think you want to see. That would be brilliant. And yeah, so yeah, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment box what things you would have loved to have bought if you were at Primark Home with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.